Hi everyone, this is Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the Haunted Banswara Apartment series. Now, now, Kaleem or K, as you can call him, he was one of our colleagues and even he used to visit us for lunch, dinners, just hanging out together. And Kaleem is one of those persons जो he does not believe in ghosts and stuff. उसको अगर आप बोलोगे कि भूत होते हैं, ये होते हैं, वो होते हैं, he is somebody who would laugh. He will laugh at your face, and he will tell you to shut up. He was one of those people until the Banswara incident. Anywho, so one day he's just sitting and he just tells us कि तुम्हें वो सुनाई दे रहा है, सुनाई दे रहा है, and we were like क्या सुनाई दे रहा है? He's like, can't you hear the child crying? Why does he constantly cry? Where does he cry? And we were like, which child is crying? And he's like, whenever I come here, I always hear this child, not an infant, not a baby, but like a child cry. And we were like कि एंड ही इज़ लाइक कि मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कहाँ से आवाज़ आ रही है, कहाँ से आवाज़ आ रही है, बट आज तो बहुत बॉदर हो रहा है. लाइक ही वॉज गेटिंग एक्सट्रीमली अनॉयड दैट पर्टिकुलर डे. एंड देन वन डे ही इज़ लाइक, and then one day again he's like, I have recorded the child crying, I have recorded the noise, I have recorded the voice. And he's very excitedly, he shows us, like he plays the audio. There is nothing in the audio. We could not hear anything in the audio. It's like blank audio. And he was so shocked, he was so surprised, because he was like, bhai sahab, I always hear the child crying in your house. एंड उसके बाद से कलीम वॉज लाइक समथिंग इज़ रॉन्ग इन योर हाउस, कुछ तो गलत है इधर, समथिंग इज़ जस्ट अप इन द हाउस. नाउ अदर थिंग्स दैट यूज टू हैपन, वी यूज टू कॉन्स्टेंटली हियर टैपिंग. सो टैपिंग नॉइज़, और वो टैपिंग कहाँ से आ रही होती है? वो टैपिंग आ रही होती है बालकनी से, बालकनी के दरवाजे से. सो 2 कमरे थे विच हैड बालकनी, एंड दोनों वर वेरी लाइक एडजेसेंट टू ईच अदर. और दोनों कमरे में टैपिंग की आवाज़ आती है, जैसे somebody is like knocking on the door. And it is so shocking because there was nothing, like we were on the 4th floor, there was no way anybody could just from a different building, from a nearby building, could just jump on our balcony to tap. Like that's ridiculous. And if you remember, Joita did not believe in such stuff. And then one day Joita was talking to somebody on the phone in the room, and she heard that tap as clear as day, like knocking, not tapping, like knocking on the door, on the balcony door. She freaked out. She told us that ye aise knock. So and then Jyota had a a rack where she used to put her, like a rack, like a Pinteresty rack, where she used to put her clothes. और it is very difficult to move, मतलब उस रैक को गिराना बहुत difficult है. You actually physically need to push that rack for it to fall down, and only humans can do that. ऐसा नहीं कि हवा से वो गिर जाए या कुछ हो जाए. And one day we came back from office, she went in her room, and the rack was just the rack had fallen, and there were clothes everywhere, as if there was an intruder, जैसे कि कोई आया हो घर में, किसी ने उसको रैक को गिराया हो, कपड़े इधर उधर किए हो. That was so scary for us. And it was not even that somebody had the keys of the house. We even called the landlord and we were like, were you here in the house, because we see that our stuff has been moved, it's here and there. Again, he's like one of those, did not believe us, like nahi, koi nahi tha घर में, आपके पास ही चाबी है. And anyway, even if the landlord came, why would he mess up with a 23 years old closet and kapde? Like that's so strange. You could just see any other thing other than the closet. That was very strange for us. And then I think what was the most scariest part was that, so Joita and I used to share a room, और हमारे room में balcony थी. We had a window and we did not have पर्दा on that window, because you're on the 4th floor, who's gonna see you, nobody's gonna peek a boo. And beautiful moonlight used to come through the window, and so we did not have पर्दा also, because थोड़ी light आती थी, natural light. And me and Joita was sleeping one day, and as I turned from left to right. मेरी नज़र पड़ी जोइता के रैक के बगल में, and I saw a boy, maybe 10-11 years old, wearing red shirt and a brown pant, ऐसा कुछ. He was standing next to the closet, next to the rack. I was to say that I was scared as an understatement, because at that time my brain started rationalizing it कि वो कपड़ा हो सकता है, वो येलो कपड़ा हो सकता है. Again, I knew कि येलो कपड़ा नहीं है, there's no yellow कपड़ा there, and there's a boy standing. Obviously I could not see the face very clearly, but I could make out it's a child standing there. और मैं पलटी and I started just हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया मैंने. But I was just so frozen, and I don't even remember when I just fell asleep. And I woke up in the morning and I was like, guys, this is high time. Something is very wrong in this house. We need to find out, or we need to fix something. फिर हमने, और हमारे, there was no puja space in our house. And then we went to the market. We bought that, भगवान के stickers, और भगवान के नहीं छोटे छोटे वो होते हैं photographs. We got भगवान के photograph stickers. We stuck it on all our walls. हनुमान जी, दुर्गा जी, शिव जी. This is so strange, because Joita, who was till now a Nastic person, did not believe in ghosts, did not believe in gods. She was the one who was like started playing Hanuman Chalisa on her phone daily. So that was a real character development that we saw in her. And so we started doing all of these things. And then we were like, we need to find out. And then I told them, this is what I saw. And but we all were like curious little cats, and we wanted to know कि क्या है, did somebody pass away in this house, what's the history of this flat. And the only person who could tell us apart from our landlord was the